it's Hunter from the future. I feel like this video needs a little bit of explaining, so I'm gonna clear some things up for you. I got based in Houston and John got based in Chicago. So we are separated for the first 6 months until I can transfer to Chicago. Because we're both eventually gonna be Chicago based, we just got a small studio apartment up here in Chicago that we can stay in on reserve. A lot of people think we moved to Chicago permanently, but that is not the case. We are staying in Tampa probably forever. I don't ever foresee us leaving Tampa, but we did get a studio up here just to spend our time on reserve because we are on call 24/7 the days that we are on call. So before the video started, I just wanted to clear that up because I got so many DMs like, Hunter, why are you in a crash pad in Houston? And then why is John in an apartment? And what about your Florida house? And what's going on? That's all, but enjoy the rest of the video. Also, look how cute this is. I learned that I can do this with this emoji. Just got the keys. How do you feel about it?
Just want it to be done.
Me too. Just got back from the store. We have so much to unpack, but this is actually all gonna wait for tomorrow. Sorry if it's echoey in here. We literally have no furniture yet. We did a Target run, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, and then we went somewhere, oh, Bath & Body Works. Got a bunch of stuff. That'll all be done tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm actually gonna go through and deep clean this whole apartment again, just because I feel more comfortable knowing that I cleaned it as opposed to trusting that somebody cleaned it. So I'm gonna go through, I bought so much cleaning supplies, and that'll be on the agenda for tomorrow. But for tonight, I think we're gonna go find some food. We literally have not eaten anything yet today. We have been on the go since, I don't even know, 5 a.m. Tampa time. So it's been a long day, and we're hungry. And this is why you clean your own apartment when you move in. How's it going down there, John? Our appliances in this unit are very small. Like, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this stove is really tiny. And then for reference, you're sitting on the top of the fridge right now. Very small, but honestly, it's exactly what we need. Okay, update. Things are a little bit of a mess right now. The appliances are all moved around. I'm about to scrub the kitchen floor. John right now is working on the bathroom. Okay, after spending the entire day cleaning, like I mean the entire day, we're ready to show you the apartment. Ready?
Ready.
Let's do it. All right, so you walk in and you're automatically in the bedroom. I think this is called a radiator. I'm not really sure. It seems like every single apartment here in Chicago has one. But this is where our bed is gonna go. Our first piece of it is here. The rest will be delivered later this week. This is the room. It's actually kind of spacious. It's bigger than I thought it was gonna be. And then over here, all I have so far is this random shelf that I decorated for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna put a chair over here, I think. And then this wall has a lot of space, so I have this big mirror that's gonna go right there. I think it'll be super cute. And then I also wanna put like a lamp or something over here. Not sure what I wanna do with this wall where the bed is going yet, so we gotta figure that out. We have a ceiling fan, which is nice. And then honestly, one of my favorite parts about this apartment is the closet. It's actually really big. Like, I'm all the way inside of it right now. I just hung some reusable bags because in Chicago you have to pay for bags, and I like to use reusable bags to begin with. Got some random stuff up there, just like extra storage space, closet. Got some uniforms going on in there, some shoes, extra storage until we can get like a little dresser or something in here, and then some cleaning supplies. I don't even know what's up on that top shelf, just random stuff. We have a little hallway here, which is nice because it does separate the bedroom from the kitchen. This is the bathroom. It's very small, but it's functional, so that's all that matters. I got all of this, towels from Target, shower curtain from TJ Maxx. That's all we got going on in there right now. There's this stain right now and it will not come off. It's like almost like a chip in the counter or something. They're supposed to come fix it, so hopefully they do. Then from the bathroom, we're gonna go into the kitchen. We have like these mini appliances. These are super small in real life, but they're brand new, so that's the best part about them. And we don't really have a lot of food that we keep here anyway because we're on the go so much. But over here in this corner, we're gonna do a little table and chairs just to be able to eat, have coffee, you know, whatever. And then coming this way, not a lot of cabinet space. This is all we have to work with. But what we do have, we've made it work so far. So over here, just got some glasses, mugs. We don't have anything up here yet. And then this cabinet, which is some plates and some bowls for now. We got a toaster, Keurig set up, some utensils, cooking supplies. And then I think we have like cleaning supplies under here, yeah. Nothing too crazy. We do have this random back door. It's kind of scary looking. It has like a little deck or something. Not a deck, I'll show you. But it's basically just like a fire escape. And you can kind of see, you can just like go right out there down to the ground. So let's lock that. Whoa, it was not locked. There we go. That was pretty much it. Not a lot to see, but honestly, this space is so perfect for the two of us. Because we're gone like 4 days a week to begin with, we don't really need a lot of space and we don't really have a lot of things that we need to keep here. But of course, because this is Chicago, you pay a lot, but get a little, but it's fine. It's totally fine. This is honestly a really good price for this unit, especially for the area that we're in. What are your thoughts so far, John?
I like it. I'm just ready for it to be set up.
Me too. I'm ready for the bed to come. If you guys are from Chicago or if you live in Logan Square, definitely comment, hit me up on Instagram. Also, I got this little thing to put next to the door because these floors get super dirty if you can't tell. So we're just gonna put our shoes on there and then from there we'll transfer them into the closet. We're gonna go grab some food right now and then head over to our hotel. We are staying in the hotel tonight just because obviously we don't have a bed here. So we're staying in a hotel. I'm trying to go get Chicago style pizza. Hopefully John will take me. Got our subway passes.